In this video, I want to talk about how you can close your eToro account. Now, something important before you close it is you should close all of your current positions, otherwise they will just be lost. So make sure you withdraw all your money and you close all of your positions and stuff like this before you close your account. Now, with that said, the way that you can close it is you want to head over to eToro.com, click on the settings button and select account. Now, I don't want to click on this because then you can see all of my information, but inside of account, if you scroll down to the bottom, there will be a button called delete my account or close my account. You just want to select that and go through the little guide, and once you've done that, your account will be closed. So that is the easiest way to do this. But like I said, make sure that you withdraw the money, close all your current positions and everything like that. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.